Hey, what's up everybody, Mike back with another video. So today we're checking out the JmGo E8, a very interesting product, comes in at the same price point as the JmGo P2 or the CC Aurora. Now the CC Aurora has 350 ANSI lumens, the P2 had 250, the E8 from JmGo at the same price point has 750 ANSI lumens, as well as a native 720p resolution. This thing has a static contrast ratio of 5000 to 1, a throw ratio of 1.2 to 1, and it can get all the way up to 200 inches, and it's got an awesome built-in array of speakers, 3D supported, and various other things. Let's go check it out. Just talking about that speaker, now this is the first projector I've seen with an array of speakers in this position. 4 2-watt speakers. This will deliver an immersive movie experience. Doesn't matter where you're sitting. Now when you consider the price point of this and the CC Aurora or the JmGo P2, this thing has got all of them beat purely in terms of ANSI lumens, 750 ANSI lumens compared to the much lower lumen count in the other projectors. The colour accuracy is good, the image quality is very sharp, and honestly this is the most true to life image reproduction in terms of colour that I've actually seen on any 720p projector. In terms of accessories, unlike the CC Aurora, you don't get a carry case, you don't get a HDMI cable, you don't get 3D glasses, but you do get like a register your product warranty card and some other material. The instruction manual is all in Chinese, but everything you need to know can be accessed from within the actual projector. You get the power brick, you get the power cable and a remote control. In terms of that remote control, it looks very different. I quite like the design. It's black, and compared to the likes of the CC Aurora, it can actually control focus, and it's got this big bulbous dial. It's not like a scroll wheel or anything to navigate from left to right, it's just like directional keys. It's well made and everything feels pretty solid. If that 750 ANSI lumen wasn't good enough to actually make me buy this projector, then the app that actually accompanies the E8 projector really did. Scan the QR code on screen, download the app and connect it to your actual smartphone, tablet or whatever device you're using. Once you've done that, you can actually seamlessly control every single function of this projector. By swiping down from the top, you can also access functions like the 3D options, and you can even electronically focus your projector, and this whole experience honestly is absolutely seamless. In terms of port selection, again, just like on the CC Aurora, you get a shielded 3.5mm input, a full-size HDMI, USB 3.0. For some strange reason, the DC power input is located right in the center, which I would have preferred it to be on the side. USB 2.0 port, you've got the LAN port, and then you've got the rear IR sensor. While the E8 might not have the smallest form factor, it's still ultra portable and will fit into most backpacks. Flipping the projector over onto his side, you can see this big smiley face rubber grip and 2 adjustable feet. You can also remove the 2 adjustable feet. That will give you 3 mounting points, so you can actually attach it to some kind of projector, ceiling mount, wall mount or anything like that. And in terms of noise levels, the E8 did not go over 34 decibels, thanks mainly to its low noise fan and that custom design heat dissipation. The body of the E8, however, it annoys me a little bit because it's plastic. It should be metal like the other projector from JmGo. We saw the P2, but they have crammed in 750 ANSI lumens, so they had to make the sacrifice somewhere. But in terms of build quality, this thing still looks pretty solid and there's no creaky plastic. So in terms of what the menus and the setup process, the E8 actually delivers a nice simple experience. As you can see that the screen is actually spilling out. We're on the 16:10 aspect ratio. We're going to tuck that in right now, as you can see. You can also go ahead and change the fan curve, and you can actually go ahead and update the actual system. You can even change the wallpaper. You can even pick a custom wallpaper. As you can see, I've just picked one of these and it's actually completely changed the look of the projector. In terms of the more important apps like YouTube, which is one of the reasons a lot of you actually use it, as you can see, look at that image, it looks staggering, but that's animation. We're going to look at some actual video files soon, but in terms of the whole process of running this projector and setting it up, it works seamlessly. And in terms of that YouTube app, it didn't crash in like the hour and 40 minutes that I actually sat on the sofa and watched video after video after video. Really nice. I also like the small on-screen keyboard. I think I've said that in the past. And just remember, this doesn't have an air mouse built into the remote, but you can actually use the smartphone or the remote, but the actual keyboard, I quite like the small form factor. It's really easy to use. Now in terms of throw ratio, from 1 meter you get a 40-inch screen, from 2.5 meter you can get between 100 and 120 inch, and if you go all the way up to 6 meters, which I wouldn't recommend, you can apparently get a 300-inch screen. So how about some video footage now? Check it out.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come on over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, put the man on the juke.
Now press play. Pause.
Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is foreign too, I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body.
So guys, there you have it, the JmGo E8 projector, an absolute beast of a 720p projector. Now if you're just going to buy a projector just purely because it's portable, now this thing doesn't have a rechargeable battery like the CC Aurora, but the image quality on this 750 ANSI Lumans and the true to life colour is absolutely staggeringly good, and the audio around this thing sounds fantastic, and the static contrast ratio on this projector just looks mesmerisingly good. And you know what, if you're going to buy a projector just based on image quality and you're looking to buy right now, then this is definitely one to check out. I'll link it in the video description. Hopefully there'll be an offer code, and don't forget the TI giveaway ends in about 3 days. Link in the video description. Until next time, my name is Mike and this is Tech 404. Leave a like and I'll catch you on the next video.